everyone, this is Munmun Alom and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your life. I'm fine too. No more talking, let's start the video. For any kind of makeup, it can be daily makeup, it can be party makeup, but skin preparation is a must thing. So I'll prep my skin first, and for my skin preparation I'll clean my skin first with spray of water and then I'll wipe it out. It's clean now. Now I will apply a moisturizer to set up my skin. I will apply a primer also because it helps to minimize our pores and set the BB cream or foundation very perfectly. Sunscreen is the mandatory thing before applying makeup when you are going outside. I'm done with my skin preparation. Now I will start my basic makeup. Started with my BB cream. I'll apply on my face with my finger and then I'll apply a beauty blender to dab it well so that it sits on my face properly. Now it's concealer time and I'll apply it in my under eyes, in my nose, in my forehead and in my chin. I'll blend it first with my finger and then I'll take a help of a beauty blender. Now I'm setting my base makeup with a face powder. Now I'll apply contour with the help of contour stick on my cheek and in my neck part. Blending it with the help of beauty blender. Now using a contour powder for giving it a more sharp look. Wiping the extra product out. I'm setting my eyebrows now. It's time to apply eyeshadow and I have been using my contour palette for the eyeshadow. Done with the eyeshadow part. I'm using my Lakme kajal for my eyeliner and for my kajal. For lipstick, I'll draw my lip with a lip liner and will use it as my lipstick. Now it's blush time. I'm applying highlighter with my finger. Oops, mascara I forgot to apply first, so it's the last item basically. Okay, my nude makeup look is done for today. It's basically applicable for all school college going girls plus office going girls. Tell me how it looks. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.